What if there was a way to recognize early signs of autism in toddlers? Researchers have developed an AI system that can identify potential indicators of autism in children under 2 years old with about 80% accuracy. This system analyzes developmental milestones, like when a child first smiles or begins eating solid foods. However, while this tool shows promise, it's not meant to replace traditional methods. Experts emphasize that clinical evaluations are still essential for an accurate diagnosis. This AI acts as an early warning, helping to spot potential signs earlier. The study involved data from over 15,000 children, both with and without autism, focusing on specific early milestones. The AI successfully identified almost 79% of the cases in children up to 2 years old. It's important to approach this tool with caution. Some experts are concerned that early labeling might lead to unnecessary stress, as not all early signs guarantee a long-term issue. As technology continues to shape the future of healthcare, staying informed is crucial. Subscribe to All About AI for the latest updates on how AI is changing the world. Don't miss out.